Good morning, students. We are studying chapter 6, square and square root. Today we will solve the question from exercise 6.4. Before solving the questions from exercise 6.4, we have to discuss about our new method to find out the square root of any number, that is long division method. So this is the third method, student. Before it, we have already used two methods to find out the square root of any number, that is repeated subtraction method, prime factorization method. But today we will learn about long division method to find out the square root of a number. So in exercise 6.4, there are some numbers given, student. This is the question number first, student. I have not written here the question. In this question, we have to find out the square root of the given numbers. And there are some steps. We have to use these steps to finding out the square root of any number using long division method, student. So, first of all, we have to write the number this one. This one is the first number, that is 2304. We have to find out the square root of this number. It means square root of 2304. And we have to use long division method to find out the square root of this number, student. So, first of all, we have to write this number 2304. And first step, that is place a bar over every pair of digits starting from ones place. Starting from ones place, it means we have to place the bar over the numbers from right to left, student. This one ones digit, so this one the first pair, one bar, and this one is the second pair. Clear, student? In first step, we have to place a bar over every pair of digits starting from ones place or starting from right to left. राइट से लेफ्ट की तरफ हम आते हैं, यहाँ पर इसके ऊपर बार लगाते हैं, स्टूडेंट. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू मेक दिस टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट, स्टूडेंट. दिस वन. इन द सेकेंड स्टेप, वी हैव टू फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट नंबर whose square is less than or equal to the number under extreme left bar and get remainder. So, in extreme left bar, this one under first bar, student. This one 23. We have to choose a number whose square is equal to or less than this number. So, if we are taking 4, so 4 4 ja 16. If we are taking here 5, then 5 5 ja 25. So 25 will be greater than 23. So we have to choose 4, student. In this step, we have to take a number here and we have to write this 4, this one as a quotient. Clear, student? This one 4. So 4 4 ja 16. We have to write this number under the first bar. Clear, student? So 4 4 ja 16. And we have to subtract this 16 from 23, student. There is a negative sign. And we have to find the remainder, that is 23 minus 16, that is 7. Now, in the third step, student, bring down the number under the left bar to the right of remainder. Remainder के right में, student, we have to put down this number 04. Clear, student? Under bar there are 04. This one we have to take this pair, student, not a single digit. Clear? So we have taken here or put down the number under the second bar and write to the remainder. Remainder is 7 and write to the remainder, that is 04. Now number is 704. In the fourth step, double the divisor and enter it with a blank on it's right. We have doubled the divisor, this one divisor. डिवाइज़र को स्टूडेंट हमने यहाँ पर डबल कर लिया और यहाँ 4 2 जा 8 और इसके राइट साइड में एक ब्लैंक हमने छोड़ दिया. नाउ इन दिस प्लेस वी हैव टू पुट अ नंबर दैट इज फ्रॉम 0 to 9. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ दिस नंबर इज फ्रॉम 80 to 89. Clear student? Now from 80 to 89, if we choose 89, then we have to multiply this 89 by 9. If we choose 80, then we have to multiply this 80 with this number 0. Clear student? So we have to guess this. The multiplication of the number will be equal to 704 or less than 704. Clear student? So we have taken here 8 student, because 8 8 ja 64, this number is 4. So this one 8 and 8, this one 88, and we have to multiply this 88 by 8. Which number we have taken, we have to multiply with that particular number. So this one 8 student here, and 8 8 ja 64, 8 8 ja 64 and remainder 6, that is 70, and this one after subtracting this one 0 0 0. Clear student? No bar is left here student in this step. This one fifth step student, guess largest possible digit to fill the blank. We have guessed here 8 and the number is 88, and we have multiplied this 88 by 8, we find 704. That is fifth step. Now in sixth step, since the remainder is 0, this one remainder is 0 student, and no bar is left here, therefore this one is the answer. So square root of this 2304 is equal to 48 student. This one is the square root of this number student. Now take another example, that is second part of this question student. Now try to understand the steps of solution in second part of the question student, and we have to find out the square root of 4489. 4489. Now we have to write this 4489 student. First step, we have to make the pairs putting the bar over the numbers and make this type of arrangement. In the second step, we have to guess a number whose square is less than 44 or equal to 44. So students, we have taken here a number 7. 7 7 ja 49 we know. That is more than 44. So we have to take one less, that is 6. So 6 6 ja 36. So this number 6, and we have to write this one 6. Now multiply this 6 6 ja 36. Clear student? It is less than 44. Clear student? And square of 7, that is more than 44. So we have taken here 6. Now subtract this number, and 14 minus 6, that is 8, and this one 3 minus 3, that is 0. This number is 8 student. Now in the third step student, we have to put down this number right to the remainder, that is 89. Clear student? This one 889. There is no value of this 0, that is 889. Number is this one. Now we have to double the divisor, that is 6 2 ja 12, and we have to left a blank right to the number, so that we have to make, or we have to put a number here from 0 to 9, and the place value of this number will be from 120 to 129. Clear student? The place value of this number will be from 120 to 129, because we have to put here the numbers from 0 to 9. So we have to guess whose square is this one 9, the unit digit of this 9 student. So if we taken here 3, so 3 3 ja 9. If we taken here 7, 7 7 ja 49, so unit digit will be 9 student. So if we taken here 3, then it will be 123, and after multiplying by 3, it will be 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. It will be 369. This number is 2 less than 889. So we have to multiply here by 7 student. Now we have taken here 7 and we have to multiply this 7, 7 7 ja 49, 7 2 ja 14 and 4 that is 8, 7 1 ja 7 and remainder 1 that is 8. Clear student? And this one after subtraction there will be 0. It means no remainder is left here and no bar is left here. Clear student? No bar is left here and we get 0 here. So square root of this one 4 4 8 9 is equal to 67 student. This one. Now we have to take another part, ninth part student. We have to find out the square root of 576 using long division method student. So write the number 576. From left to right we have to put bar making pairs, and this number is one student we can write it 0 5. This one student. This one is in pair. But the value of this number is 5 only, 0 5 or 5. So left this number alone and make this type of arrangement. Now choose a number whose square is less than or equal to 5 student. So 2 2 ja 4. So we have taken here 2 and after multiplying 2 into 2 that is 4. And subtract this number, remainder is 1 here, and now put down this number that is 76, write to the remainder that is 176. In the next step double the divisor that is 2 2 ja 4 and left a blank, write to this number student. Clear? We have to write here a number from 0 to 9 and the place value of this number will be 42 49 student. Clear? We have to choose number from 0 to 9, write to this number. The place value of this number will be 42 49. Clear student? So this one we have to guess this number. This one is 6. So square of 4 is 6 and square of 6 is 6 unit digit. We have guessed here the unit digit student. So unit digit in square of 4 that will be 6 and unit digit in square of 6 that will also be 6. So there are two possible numbers 4 and 6. So first of all we have to check this by 4 and 4. After this we have to multiply this 44 by 4. 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, 117. Clear student? So we have to put here 4. Now put 4 here and multiply this 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, 117. Now subtract this, remainder is 0 student and no bar is left here. So square root of 576 is equal to this one 24. Clear student? This is the answer student. Now remaining part of this question student you have to do yourself. If you have any problem then you can contact to me on my WhatsApp. Student, this is question number 2nd and in this question we have to find out the number of digits in the square root of the given number. So this number is 2-digit number student, this one 64. So we have to put here 1 bar only. So number of digit in its square root, that will be 1. And this number, student, this one 4, 4, 5, 9. If we find the square root of this number, then the number of digits in square root of this number will be this one 1 bar, 2 bar. Clear, student? So there will be only 2 digits in the square root of this number, student. And in this, student, there are 1 bar, 2 bar, and this one 3. So in this there will be 3 digits in square root of this number, student. Clear? And in this number, put the bar over the numbers making pairs. So this one first pair, second pair, and third pair. There are 3 pairs, student, or there are 3 bars. So number of digits in square root of this number will be 3 digits. There will be 3 digits number in square root of this number. Clear, student? So we have to check this using the bar over the numbers. If there are 2 bar, the number of digit in the square root of this number will be 2. If there are 5 bars, then the number of digits in the square root of this number there is 5. Clear, student? Now we have to solve the question number 3. This is question number 3, student. We have to find out the square root of these numbers, and these are the decimal numbers, student. This one 2.56 and this number is 51.84. Now we have to find out the square root of these numbers, student, and we have to use the long division method to find out the square root of these numbers, student. These numbers are decimal numbers. So in decimal numbers, student, we have to put the bars from decimal place. Suppose there is a number 52.3468. So from this decimal place we have to put the bar over the numbers making pairs. This one right side and this one left side. Clear, student? Suppose there is a number that is 5.293. Clear, student? So this number, if we are going to put the bar over the numbers, then we have to start from the decimal place, and first from right side this one first pair, and there is only one number, student, so we can put here 0 and there is another pair, that is 30. Clear? And this one from decimal, this number is before the decimal, so we have to put the bar over this number, student. This one 5.293. Clear, student? Now this one is the first part, and first of all we have to find the square root of this number, square root of 2.56. So write the number, this one 256. Clear, student? This one 2.56. This one first pair, and this one single number we can write it 02, student. And now make the arrangement like this, and this one 2, student. We have to take a number whose square is less than or equal to 2. So square of 2 is greater than 2, and so square of 1 we have to choose a number that is 1, student. So square of 1, 1 1 ja 1. Now we have to subtract this number, this one 1, and put this next numbers under bar, right to the remainder, that is 56. Now this number is 156, student, and we have taken the decimal number, so we have to put here decimal, student. Clear? We need not to put the decimal here, student. Now double the divisor, 1 2 ja 2, and left a blank, write to it. Clear, student? Now this number will be from 20 to 29, because if we write here 0, then it will be 20. If we write here 1, then it will be 21. If we write here 2, then it will be 22. Clear, student? But we have to guess a number here whose square is unit place, that is 6. So in unit place of 4 there is 6, and in unit place of 6 there is 6. Clear, student? 4 4 ja 16 and 6 6 ja 36. So unit place will be 6. There are only 2 numbers. So we have to choose that number, student. So if we taken here 4, then this one 24, and we have to multiply it with 4. So 4 4 ja 16 and 4 2 ja 8 1 9, it will be 96, student. Now we have to take another number, that is possible number, that is 6. Clear, student? Because in unit place of 6 there will be 6. If we square the number, 6 6 ja 36, so in unit place of 36 there is 6. So we have to take another number, that is 26. If we are taken here 6, so the number will be 26. Clear, student? So multiply with 6, 6 6 ja 36, 6 2 ja 12 and 3, that is 15. This one will be 156 equal to this number, student. So we have to take here 6. Now this multiply 6 6 ja 36, 6 2 ja 12 and 3 15, and remainder, that is 0. Clear, student? Remainder is 0 and no bar is left here. Now our answer is 1.6. Our square root of 2.56 is equal to 1.6. Now we have to solve the next part of this question, student, that is square root of 51.84. We have to find out the square root of this number, student, using long division method. This number is decimal number, student. This one 51.84. Now write this number 51.84. From right to decimal make a pair, and left to the decimal make another pair. Clear, student? Now make an arrangement like this. This number is 51.84, student. So this one under first bar, that is 51, student. So we have to take a number whose square is less than or equal to 51. So student, there is a number that is 7, 7 7 ja 49 and 8 8 ja 64. So we have to take here 7, and this one 7 7 ja 49. Now subtract this number from 51, 49 this one, 2, 11 minus 9, that is 2, and here 0, 0 means nothing, student. Clear? So this one 2, and right to this number, right to the remainder, we have to put down the numbers under the second bar, that is 8 4. Need not to write here decimal, student. We have to put here decimal because we have taken the number that is starting from decimal. Now we have to put here decimal. Now in the next step, double this divisor, that is 7 2 ja 14, and left a blank, write to it. Clear, student? We have left a blank, write to this number. Now this number is, student, this one 140 to 149, because we have to put a number, write to this number from 0 to 9. If we put here 0, it will be 140. If we put here 9, then it will be 149. And if we put here 1, then it will be 141. Clear, student? Student, remember this. The number which we put here, we have to multiply by that particular number this. Clear, student? Now in the next step, student, we have to guess a number whose square is 284 or less than 284. So this unit digit is 4. So square of 2 is 4, students. So we have to take a number that is 2. Here 2. So multiply this, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 1 ja 2. This number is 284 student, and remainder that is 0 and no bar is left here student. So our solution is, that is square root of 51.84 is 7.2. So square root of 51.84 is equal to 7.2 student. This one is the square root of this number. Remaining part of this question you have to do yourself student. In the next video student, we will solve question number 4 to question number 9 from exercise 6.4.